Choose the word or words that, when inserted in the sentence to replace the blank or blanks, best fits the meaning of the sentence. Some people react to nearby people with HIV/AIDS with unjustifiable blank, as they do not know that HIV cannot be transmitted by means of touching, kissing, hugging, sharing food, sharing toilet seats, or even through sneezes and coughs, and they fear it might be. Now, in a question like this, we need to use the context of the sentence and any kind of tone or tonal shifts in the sentence to help us predict what type of word we should expect to find in our blank, and then we go to the answer choices. Now, we do this first so that we don't let the answer choices sway us or misdirect us to the incorrect answer. Now, 2 words here jump out. Our first one is unjustifiable, which gives us an idea of the tone and also implies that the word that fills the blank is an action or conception that the second part of the sentence, or the part after the comma, this comma here, that the second part of the sentence should prove to be wrong. So then we see that the second part of the sentence, so the part after the comma, from the comma onwards, the second part of the sentence presents a misconception regarding the transmission of HIV, and it contains a consequence of the misconception, which is they fear it might be. So we should be looking for a word in the blank that has to do with fear. So we're actually going to write fear in our blank. Now, when we look at the answer choices, we have regret, which might feel tempting, but regret is something we feel about something that already happened, not that about something that might happen, so we eliminate that answer choice. Then we have apprehension, which does mean fear, so that looks like a great answer. Then we have relief, which would be the right word if HIV turned out to actually be transmitted very easily between people, and that's not the case, so we're going to go ahead and eliminate that. Then veneration and reverence both have to do with great respect. Neither of these are really relevant to the context of our sentence, so we eliminate those, and we're left with apprehension, which is going to be the correct answer for this question.